Hi guys, good morning. It's your Inhinyerang Chopper and welcome back to my vlog. So eto guys, after a month ng PMS, gusto kong i-check ang quality ng spark plugs. There's no problem naman sa performance, but I've just noticed that Takasa is using a different brand than before. Kaya gusto kong ma-check kung kamusta na siya after a month. So here's the technique na tinuro sa akin ng isang mekaniko on how to initially check the quality or the status of the spark plugs. Tatanggalin mo lang tong mga ignition coils isa-isa habang umaandar ang engine. And obserbahan mo kung meron bang changes sa galaw ng engine. Kasi pag may changes, that means goods yung spark plug mo and it's still working. With my observation sa mga spark plugs, okay naman sila. So let's move on to the next step. Tanggalin natin. Ayan, natanggalan natin. Itong nasa kaliwa is yung previous spark plugs. And itong nasa kanan is yung current spark plugs na pinalit ng Kasa during my latest PMS. And as I have observed it guys, really, ang laki ng difference. Parang super brown siya. Or should I say, madali siyang nag-build up ng carbon. So ito guys, hindi ko lang muna ipapakita yung brand. So yan, ito yung focus ng mga spark plugs. Ang laki talaga ng difference sa previous spark plugs. Ito medyo mas maputi pa nga siya eh. But I don't know if it's the spark plug or maybe kailangan ng linisan yung injectors ko. So ito yun oh, close up. Ang dali talagang nag-build up ng carbon. Imagine, 1 month pa lang itong spark plugs na ito. Moving forward, gagamitin ko muna itong nabili kong spark plugs from Sir Kanoto Keyang, itong double iridium. So, kalilinis ko lang din ito. So, nakikita nyo, intact pa yung solenoid niya. So far, based on my experience with this spark plug, maganda talaga yung performance niya. Responsive yung engine, at the same time, na-minimize yung jerking. I know, alam ng mga MG5 car owners dyan, itong sinasabi kong jerking. So with this spark plug, based on my experience, na-minimize siya and gumanda yung performance ng pag-arangkada. So ayan, i-install ko muna tong spark plugs and then balikan natin mamaya para ma-test kung okay pa ba ang condition ng spark plug na ito. Kasi I've been using this for few months and then binalik ko lang para sa PMS. So eto, check natin isa-isa para malaman natin kung okay pa ba. Makikita nyo, pag hinuhugot ko yung ignition coil, nagva-vibrate ng konti yung engine. That means that specific spark plug is in good condition and is functioning properly. So ayan guys, ito na yung gagamitin ko na spark plug. I'll see you on my next vlog. God bless, stay safe, drive safe.